Hello guys, hope you are all fine. My name is Moeen. I have done electrical engineering and also I have done Master of Project Management. I have a lot of experience in electrical and mechanical field. Today I'm going to introduce the diesel generators. I have following skills: AutoCAD, designing of switch gears, diesel generators layout, electrical installation layouts, estimation, quotations, tenders, and sales and marketing. Today I'm going to explain to the diesel generator what actually a diesel generator is. If you are a professional person, if you are a procurement manager, project manager, electrical engineer, even if you are a student, this video will help you the practical point of view about the diesel generators. So I'm going to introduce you. If you are going to purchase, service or maintain a generator, then this video will be very beneficial for you. So I have a request: kindly subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you want to take maximum knowledge from my video, so please watch my video till end. There is a quote, a great quote: your action speaks louder than your words. I have quoted this just because I want to tell you, don't go for my words. Please try to understand what actually I want to explain you. I'm not a professional speaker or host, so I am not perfect in speaking, but I will try to give you understanding about diesel generators. The diesel generators have the two major parts, which is engine and alternator. Actually, these two parts combined with multiple other parts to make a single diesel generator sets. A diesel engine actually internal combustion in expansion of high temperature, high pressure gases, which in turn move piston, transforming chemical energy into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy which is produced, it is used or coupled with the alternator to produce electrical power. This is a brief introduction about the diesel generator set. Okay, if you are a procurement manager, project manager, electrical engineer or a student, first you have to understand there are many engines available in markets: Perkins, Cummins, Fairman, Bowden. There is a misconception in market about the engine names. There are many things that an engine, many people thinks or can assure that they think that engine is actually a generator. So I'm going to explain you that engine is a major part, the most important part of engine. It's just a part, it's not a complete generator. While selecting or dealing with the generators, you must consider other parts, so for a smooth operation of your diesel generator set. The second most important part of generator is alternator. As I told you, all parts are important. The most popular brand available in markets are F.G. Wilson, Leroy Somers, Stamford, McAulty, etc. and many more other alternators are available. And when you are selecting a generator, you must consider alternator and engine up to the brand, up to the mark, up to the standard brand of engine and alternator for your generator. There are other parts like two parts are I have already told you: engine, alternator. The other parts are fueling system, fuel voltage regulator, cooling and exhaust system, lubrication system, battery charger, control panel, and main assembly frame. So these all parts must be considered while you are dealing with the diesel generator in any way, like you are purchasing, you are maintaining or servicing to your generator. So I already told you the engine actually takes the fuels and produce the mechanical energy. The alternator use the engine's mechanical power to produce the electrical power. The fueling system actually provide fuel to the engine to produce mechanical engine. Voltage regulator actually regulates the voltage. As the name tells you, it actually controls some parts of your generators to produce constant output voltage for your utilities. Cooling system and exhaust system actually makes your generator alive by cooling and exhausting the heat gas and other gases. Lubrication system actually lubricate your mechanical parts to produce lesser or to produce lesser friction. Battery charger actually charge your batteries and help to ignite your generators. Also it alives your control panel. So control panels, and the main assembly is actually the housing in which all parts comes together to have a complete generator set. Now I'm gonna introduce you the generator producer or couplers, or actually these are the factories which are combining all the parts which I've told you earlier to produce a single generator set. So when you are going to purchase, service or maintain your generators, you must consider the factory which produce the generators, so that each part of your generator must be highly standard and highly reliable. So some of the generator producer couplers and factories are FG Wilson, Texan, Somac, Liga and Fairman. In next part, I'm gonna introduce a little about the engine parts. Like engine, this is source of mechanical energy, which use mechanical energy. This is source of mechanical energy utilizing diesel. Okay, it can be a petrol, it can be gas, or it is some sort of energy source. So it is the most important part of generator. Engine is the most important part of generator. So it required the periodic maintenance, engine overhauling. These all things must be considered while you are dealing with the generators. This is the exploded view of an engine. In my later videos, I will introduce these all parts in details. Currently, just to make an understanding, you just see this picture and note down all these parts. There are several type of engines available: 4-stroke, 2 strokes, which you most commonly have used. A 4-stroke engine actually have 4 steps to utilize the diesel to produce energy until the production or the outflow of the exhaust. These are the basic parts of alternators. You can note down all these alternator. If you have any query, I can share all information about the parts details, and also if you say, I can share these slide sets which I'm showing you with you if you required. Thanks for watching my video.